Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make your HyperX Cloud 3 sound better with simple audio enhancements steps in 2026. So first of all, simply open the settings of your PC. Inside your settings, simply click on the option of system, then click on the option of sound. Over here under output, select your headset and you need to make it as default. This ensures all the audio is routed correctly. Afterwards, scroll down a bit and click on the option of more sound settings. Now, when you see this type of pop-up in front of you, simply select the option of playback tab. Now, you just have to click on the option of properties, following by selecting your headset. Now, when you open the properties, if there is an advanced tab available in your case, you just have to select that and you need to set the format to 24-bit 48,000 Hz or highest available. This improves the overall audio quality. Now, if the option is not available over here, inside the sound settings, you are going to see this particular option. So you can select it. Now you need to open your Microsoft Store, then select the option of Hyper and Genvity. Now over here, click on the option of Hyper Genvity software, then select the option of Open. So here, when you are inside the Hyper Genvity software, simply select your headset and then you just have to turn on the 7.1 surround sound. This also enhances the directional audio, especially in the games. Now keep the system volume around 70 to 90% as well and avoid mixing out everything as it can cause the distortion. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.